Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka, and today we'll be making some festivals. Oh my, this video was requested by one of my subscribers. Her name is Luna TMC. Big up yourself. And also I wanted to show you guys a picture of a banana bread. One of my subscribers by the name of Nicole Crooks, she made this lovely banana bread. And guys, I would like you guys to go ahead and check out that video. I provided detailed instructions on how to make that banana bread. So this is the picture and this is the link right here, so you can go ahead and check it out and check out that video. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into the video. And guys, before I even do that, guys, please go ahead and like this video right now. If you haven't subscribed to this channel as yet, go ahead and do so, guys, and leave a thumbs up. And remember, always leave a comment, guys. All right, so let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients that we're working with today. In this bowl I have 2 cups of flour sifted. Make sure that you sift your flour. I have 1 cup of refined cornmeal. You can use the coarse cornmeal if you want. Like anything you have at the moment you can use, coarse or refined, but here I have the refined cornmeal. I have ½ cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. You can put like a teaspoon of salt. Also, I'm gonna be using 1 cup of milk. I won't be adding the milk at once because I might not even need so much, or I might need a little bit more, but while I go along I will know. But normally it's 1 cup of milk. And yeah, that's all the ingredients that we're working with today. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is to knead the flour. So I have everything here already, so I'm just gonna add the milk in a little at a time, because you don't want to add all the milk and then it gets too soft and soggy. So you don't want that. You just have to add the milk little by little. All right, so you take your time and knead everything in. And when you see that you need more milk, oh guys, if you don't want to use milk, you can use water, and it's the same procedure with the water. All right, so when you start kneading it and you see that it's getting dry, you just add more milk. All right guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. All right guys, so this is the dough. This is how the dough should look. It should have like a yellow look. It all depends on the type of cornmeal that you use. As I said, I use the refined cornmeal, but if you use the coarse cornmeal, it's going to be more yellow than this. So this is how the dough should look. So I'm going to be resting this for around 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. The reason why I'm resting it is just for the baking powder to just, you know, activate in the dough. So I'm just gonna rest it for a while and then we get to frying this. All right. Oh guys, also the amount of milk that I used was about 1.25 cup. So that's about it. But as I said, when you are making your own dough, you would see the amount of milk or water that you need. All right guys, so I'll check you guys back. So after 20 minutes, actually I had this for like 30 minutes here. What I'm gonna do now is to roll the dough into the shape of the festival. Now I will make the regular way in which we would make it normally, and I will make it the way that I normally do. So the way that we normally would make it in Jamaica is just to like take a piece of dough and just roll it in your hand like this, and that's it. This is it. To be honest guys, you can make them any size you want. Like there's no rule to say how big they should be or how small. You can make them as small or as big, but I'm just saying that whenever you are making it, make sure that everything that you make are on the same level, so everything fries the same. I want to show you how I normally make mine. So it's like the same thing. You roll it, but make sure you roll it out like a lot, like this. Make sure that it's long, see, and you roll like about this length. Then you can twist it like this. So you see, it's pretty, right? If you have kids, you can always let them play around with the dough and make their own, like the initials of their name and stuff like that. My mom used to do that with us when we were younger. So if you have kids, you can definitely do that. I like this way better because it's just nice. Looks cute. This is how the festival look on the tray. I always roll them out before the oil gets hot, as I said, because I want all of them to fry at the same time. So I have my oil hot, so I'm gonna start adding these to the pot right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna start adding these babies in. You don't want to fry them with too much oil either, because you don't want it to be too oily. So you have to make sure you pay attention to these, alright? Don't be on your phone looking, scrolling through Instagram, unless you're on my page, looking at my page. So guys, subscribe to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Helmosa_Nioka, guys. Alright, so just keep an eye on them. Make sure that the temperature is the fire is not too high, please. You have to have patience when you're dealing with these type of things if you want them to come out good. All right. So these are the festivals. These are the regular ones that we would have by in Jamaica, but these are mine type that I like to just make them look different. So this is how the festival look, guys. I'm about to taste this, but I know it's gonna be delicious, guys. You can have I want to also say that whenever the festivals are done, they should have a golden color when it's done. All right. So this is how it looks. Maybe it looks different on camera, but should look something like this. All right, guys. So I'm gonna give these a taste. So these festival, oh my god, this festival is so good. Like it's not too sweet. You can taste just a hint of sugar in there, and it's so soft. I want to show you guys how it looks inside. So when you break it, if you realize it breaks so nice. Like look, it's so, you see how it looks when you break it? It looks so nice, guys, and it tastes delicious. I want you to go ahead and try out this recipe. It's delicious. It's so nice. As I said, you can adjust the sweetness. If you want it a little bit more sweet, you can add more sugar if you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.